Hi students, last class we have learned about number family, like from natural numbers to complex numbers. Now we are going to learn about real numbers. Before going to learn about real numbers, you have to know about rational numbers. So all property of rational numbers are applicable for real numbers. So every rational number can be expressed as either terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. So what is terminating decimal is a decimal which has finite number of elements is called terminating decimal. Let us take one example 1 by 2. Divide 1 by 2. So you'll get here 2 5s are 10. This is 0 remainder. Means here you observe in this decimal is ends with 0 remainder. So this decimal is a terminating decimal. Some more examples are like 2.3, some 4.56 and so on. So etc. These are terminating decimals. Now what are non-terminating decimals? Non-terminating decimals are nothing but like 2.121212 so on. This is a non-terminating decimal. And one more example is 3.1211121112 and so on. So here we can observe here these non-terminating decimals are, some decimals are repeating and some are non-repeating decimals. So again we can classify non-terminating decimals as two types: non-terminating and non-repeating decimal, non-terminating and repeating decimal, and non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. So you observe what are non-terminating and repeating decimals. I told you example 2.121212 and so on. So by taking this example, we can write this as 2.121212 and so on. Here the decimal part 12 is repeating continuously. So to stop this, we can write this as 2.1212 contains bar. So it is what? It is a non-terminating and repeating decimal. The decimal part 12 is repeating continuously. Now what is non-terminating and non-repeating decimal? Non-terminating and non-repeating decimal is like some 3.121231231234 and so on. You observe in the decimal part, here it is 12, 123, 1234 and so on. It is repeating, but now it is not repeat. It is repeating in different decimals. You observe the decimal part is not repeating continuously. So it is non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. So decimals are called irrational numbers. So what are irrational numbers? A decimal which is neither terminating nor non-terminating and repeating decimal is called an irrational number. Now come to again non-terminating and repeating decimals can be classified into two types: mixed repeating decimal and pure repeating decimal. So what is mixed repeating decimal? You observe here in decimal part 2.12323 and so on. So in the decimal part 1 is not repeating, but 23 is repeating continuously. So we can say 2.123 contains bar. So in the decimal part some part of the decimal is repeating, so it is a mixed repeating decimal. So the decimal part, some part is not repeating, only some part of the decimal is repeating, so it is mixed repeating decimal. What is pure repeating decimal is like example some 3.525252 and so on. The whole part of the decimal 52 is repeating continuously, so it is a pure repeating decimal. Now let us go to learn about period and periodicity. What is period? So you observe here in 3.52 bar, the number 52 is repeating, the decimal part 52 is repeating. So here period of the decimal is 52. So the numbers which are repeating in a non-terminating and repeating decimal is called period. So what is periodicity? So periodicity is, so how many numbers are repeating here? Two numbers are repeating. So periodicity is 2. The number of terms which are repeating in a non-terminating and repeating decimal is called periodicity. So one more example, like a 6.123, 123 and so on. So here 6.123, the whole part is repeating. So here 123 is a period, and 1, 2, 3, 3 are repeating. So it is periodicity is 3. So here periodicity is 3 and period is 1, 2, 3. Yes, students, if you like this class, please like and subscribe it and share to your friends. So I'll continue these topics, this 10th class topics. If you have any comments, please comment in comment box. Thank you.